Welcome to another video of the course What Makes a Good Speech by Mount2 Speak. You see, that's an example of repetition in speaking. In this lesson, let's learn about repetitions and how to use them effectively. Repetitions are the repeated use of a word, phrase, or idea in a speech. A repetition can be a mistake or an intentional rhetorical device. Repetitions can be used to emphasize a point by drawing the audience's attention to it. By repeating the keyword or phrase several times, you can create emphasis and make the point more memorable to the audience. Repetitions can also be used to create structure and flow in your speech. By repeating keywords or phrases throughout your speech, you can create a sense of coherence and unity, making it easier for the audience to follow your ideas. However, it's important not to overuse repetitions in your speech. Using too many repetitions can make your speech sound repetitive and annoying. So, what are cases in which repetitions can be effective in delivering your message? First, repeating a keyword or phrase multiple times. This can help to emphasize the importance of the word or phrase and make it stand out in the mind of the audience. For example, you could say, "We must act now. We must act now. We must act now if we want to make a difference." Second, repeating the same sentence or phrase with a slight variation. This can create a sense of unity and coherence in your speech and make it more memorable. For example, you could say, "We will not be silent. We will not be silenced. We will speak out and we will be heard." Third, repeating a keyword or phrase at the beginning and end of a sentence. This can create a sense of rhythm and structure in your speech and make it more engaging. For example, you could say, "Together, we can make a difference. Together, we will make a difference. Together, let's make a difference." However, sometimes repetitions can cause unwanted effects. Here are a few examples. 1. Repeating the same word or phrase too many times. This can become annoying or tedious for the audience, and can make your speech seem monotonous or uninteresting. For example, repeating the word "really" multiple times in a sentence, such as, "I am really, really, really excited to be here today," can become tedious and lose its emphasis. 2. Repeating the same sentence or phrase verbatim multiple times. This can also become tedious for the audience, and can make your speech seem repetitive or unoriginal. For example, repeating the same sentence multiple times, such as, "I am so excited to be here today. I am so excited to be here today. I am so excited to be here today," can become boring and lose its impact. 3. Repeating a word or phrase without any variation or emphasis. This can also make your speech seem uninteresting and lacking in impact. For example, repeating a word or phrase without changing your tone of voice or using any gestures, such as "I am happy, I am happy, I am happy," can be ineffective and unengaging. After learning about the mechanism of repetitions, it is crucial that you practice and see how you actually perform. By practicing with our software at Mount2Speak.com, we can help you to identify all the repetitions you have used in your speech for further evaluation. Thank you for tuning in, and see you again in our next lesson.